That sharp pain in your heel? It's not just soreness. It could be your foot begging for help. Most people think heel pain is just part of getting older, or the result of standing too long. But what if I told you? Ignoring it could make even walking to the kitchen feel like stepping on glass? No, this isn't just about sore feet. No, it doesn't just go away. And no, you don't have to live with it forever. The real problem? You might have plantar fasciitis, a condition that affects 1 in 10 people and can become chronic if left untreated. But here's the kicker. Most people don't even know they have it until it's too late. So today, we're diving into 9 early warning signs your feet are desperately trying to tell you. If you spot even one of these, pay attention. Sign number 1, that first step pain. You wake up, stretch, take a step, and bam! A sharp, stabbing pain shoots through your heel. Sound familiar? This is one of the biggest red flags of plantar fasciitis. Why it happens? While you sleep, your plantar fascia tightens. The moment you put weight on it, it stretches too fast, causing micro tears and pain. Sign number 2, pain after sitting too long. Ever get up from the couch and feel like you need a minute before you can walk normally? That's because when you're sitting, your plantar fascia contracts, and when you suddenly stand, it gets overstretched, causing inflammation. If this happens daily, your feet are screaming for help. Sign number 3, heel tenderness, press test. Try this. Press on the bottom of your heel, especially near the arch. Does it feel sore or bruised? That's inflammation. If just touching your heel feels uncomfortable, your plantar fascia is irritated. Sign number 4, arch pain that won't quit. Plantar fasciitis doesn't just attack the heel, it runs through the entire arch of your foot. If your arch aches after walking, standing, or even just resting, it's a sign that your fascia is stressed and inflamed. Sign number 5, swollen heel, even if it looks fine. You feel like your heel is swollen, but when you look, nothing seems wrong. This phantom swelling is actually deep tissue inflammation, and it's a big indicator of plantar fasciitis. Sign number 6, pain after exercise, not during. Most injuries hurt during exercise, but plantar fasciitis is sneaky. The pain hits after you're done moving, when your foot cools down and inflammation sets in. If your feet throb post-workout, your fascia is overworked. Sign number 7, foot stiffness and limited mobility. Does your foot feel tight when you try to flex it? Stiffness in the morning or after rest is another warning sign. Why? Your plantar fascia is losing elasticity, making it harder for you to move naturally. Sign number 8, a weird burning or tingling sensation. This one catches a lot of people off guard. Some people with plantar fasciitis don't feel sharp pain. They feel burning, tingling, or even numbness in their heel or arch. This means nerve irritation is creeping in. If you feel this, your plantar fascia might already be damaged. Sign number 9, cold feet. No, really? Ever notice your feet feel colder than usual? Plantar fasciitis can mess with circulation, making your feet feel cold, even if the rest of your body is warm. So, what can you do about it? The good news? You can relieve plantar fasciitis, but only if you catch it early. Stretching your feet daily, wearing proper arch support, icing your heels after long days. Gentle compression to reduce inflammation. Some people swear by bamboo ankle sleeves for keeping their feet supported throughout the day. The gentle compression can help reduce inflammation naturally, making daily movement more comfortable. It's one of those small things that can make a huge difference. Plantar fasciitis does not go away on its own. Ignoring it can lead to chronic pain, mobility issues, and even surgery in extreme cases. But now, you know the 9 warning signs to watch for. If you felt called out by any of these, don't wait. Start taking care of your feet today. Drop a comment if you've ever struggled with plantar fasciitis. What helped you the most? And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, natural health tips. Your feet will thank you.